It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2021 Buick Encore GX Select. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, the child lock button, an auto express window, and the power liftgate button. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a cloth leather combination interior. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side we've got the audio buttons. This is our digital dash. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Here we have Buick's Infotainment Center, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a touch screen that displays the outside temperature, the time, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to turn that guidance off or back on. To the far left is our engine push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, and just below that we've got some USB and power plug-ins. Here we have auto stop start, all-wheel drive, lane departure alert, and traction control. At the front of the Select we've got fog lights, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 1.3-liter turbo engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, the door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push that silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert. As we make our way to the back, we've got the rear window wiper as well as the power liftgate. We're going to pop that open using the key fob here, pushing that button twice. In the trunk, we've got lots of storage space, cargo hooks, and a spare tire compartment located down below. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got some USB and power plug-ins. This middle seat here folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can fold the rear seats down with ease by simply pulling the lever located on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 Buick Encore GX Select today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.